All right, everybody, how are you? Let's get to today's market review. Before the Asian Open, to see what we have here, how the market closed yesterday. Yeah, pretty much still bullish on the US dollar, guys. Now, remember, I didn't get quite filled long here, and eventually, price came on to hit my target after that liquidation of the lows. I mean, this was a pretty conventional 1, 2, 3 setup, right? Liquidation, expansion, and pullback towards my area. I did not get triggered, but eventually it hit my target. I'm still looking for longs here, but price action has been very choppy. Yesterday was a very tough trading day, guys. Very tough trading day. So, what to do here? Let me just delete all the drawings. What to do here? Now, I'm gonna go to the 50-minute chart, guys, here on the DXY, US dollar currency index. Now, I am most definitely not looking to overtrade tomorrow. So, here is my point of interest long for tomorrow on the DXY. I'm not going to do anything but wait for the DXY to hit this point of interest for me to get long. This is exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to denote it by putting on this arrows, guys. So it's no joke. Yeah, I'm joking, but this is my point of interest. I mean, trading within this range is just burning money, right? You saw it today that it's very tough trading within this range. Also, let me just delete this. This is going to be quite a long video, but you should most definitely watch it. Um, yeah. So not only that, but we do have liquidity here. So this is a ton of stuff going on. Now, if price continues to the upside, then more power to the US dollar. I won't be involved, but I'm not going to get involved at these levels. I need a liquidation of these lows to fuel a true move to the upside. Like I told you uh, before, on which I missed all the pullback, which was this one right here. Right, that's the first one. Now, so on the U.S. dollar side, what I will be looking for are, of course, Euro US dollar shorts. Guys, Euro US dollar shorts are in play. GBP US dollar shorts also in play. Now, let's have a look at the pound USD. I mean, tomorrow we do have GBP. I'm sorry, CPIs out of the UK. So I'm not confident in trading. The US dollar on the pound USD, right? So I'll probably go towards the US dollar, Canadian dollar. I'm gonna look a pullback towards. I'm sorry, my throat's still killing me from COVID. Towards this zone in particular, this would be in fact a very nice area to pull back to, liquidating this lows right here. These equal lows. I reckon these are equal lows, almost equal lows. So a pullback towards this zone will trigger longs for me on the US dollar. So that is the hot market on the USD that I'm looking at right there. I'm gonna tag it. Now, on the Japanese yen side, guys, on the Japanese yen side, I'm still looking for longs, to be honest with you. Oh, my head is killing me. I'm still looking for longs. I had this pound yen short that I got stopped out at break even with the swing trading group. So what we did here is that we shorted. Where was it that we shorted? I couldn't tell you anymore. I don't remember. Yeah, I remember. We shorted here around these levels. I think my entry was here. And then I moved my stop losses. Yes, that's exactly where my entry was. I moved my stop losses to break even when the trade was running at around zero point 0.8 R. Got stopped out at break even. The reason that I manage my trade so tightly is because of this big reversal that we're trading. Remember, This is the Japanese yen. This is a very bearish market, very bearish market, and trading the upside in this market is extremely aggressive. So not only are we trading against a massive trend, but this is quite speculative, right? So I'm gonna look for longs again on the Japanese yen. But if you look at the 50-minute chart, this is a no worse land. We do have some lows around yesterday's New York session would be the lows of the market. The highs at around the day before's New York session highs. Nothing in particular interesting on the Japanese yen side to me, guys. Looking at the euro yen, which is the other market that I trade the Japanese yen on, same thing. Very uninteresting. Very uninteresting markets. Now gold, guys, gold. We tried a short today. Yeah, here's that IFEG that we tried our short on, right there. So this was our setup. I mean, you all know the setup, right? We showed it here, and I closed my trade at around this level for zero point 0.5 R loss, just on a break of or on our imbalance not holding on the right direction. So gold. What is with gold for tomorrow or today? If you're just waking up, well, mates, I'm looking for longs in gold. But again, we have equal lows here. So equal lows to me are just liquidity waiting to get taken out. And again, this was my entry yesterday that I got filled on futures, right? Not on CFDs. But that's okay. I'm going to look for this particular level in gold. I'm eyeballing it right now, but this should be the level that I would look for longs, and I should target, this massive OB at the top, right? So, if anything other than that should yield, I will um, keep you updated. But again, this is just the Asian market review. I will come back at the London Open with more.